What is going on, everybody? I hope all of you had a wonderful week. Well, I know this one's going to be a little bit different here. I mean, obviously I was supposed to go fishing last weekend. Unfortunately, though, the weather was really crappy and the wind was just so brutal out that I just couldn't handle it out there, everyone. So we're going to go ahead and actually do something a little bit different here, but we're going to keep it fish related. We're going to go ahead and check out some of the funniest fishing fails we have seen on YouTube. So we'll go ahead and jump right into it, and feel free to smash that like button, everyone. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Oh, did this line get caught? Oh, I think I got caught in the propeller. Oh, it did. Oh, it did. Yep, it did.
Holy crap.
Oh, that was a close one. That was a very, very close one.
Oh. He got a big one.
Got flung into the river. Alright, so I was setting up the camera and my rod just about went in the river. I got him. This is a good fish too.
Oh god, that was inevitable. It was inevitable.
I think he's gonna fall in the water. I feel like he's gonna fall in. Tell me he's gonna fall in. I had a hunch that was gonna happen.
Oh, he was so close.
I didn't think it was gonna break. I thought he was gonna fall. I thought he was gonna slip.
Pretty good little fish. Don't know what I have yet. Oh, there he is. Oh, let's see if I can get him in the net. Oh, I lost him at the net. Heartbreak.
Tough.
That was a big
That's tough.
fish. Oh, goodness.
Oh, this is actual pain, not my chest, the video.
Upper schoolie. Blitzing in some pretty dirty water, man. He smoked this epoxy jig, though. Happens every time with same shit, dude.
Ugh, it looks like someone can't cast at all. They're about as good as I am. Someone got very, very
At that age,
angry.
you need to be knowing really good how to fish.
He was just toying with this one.
Was that a pike?
This is crazy.
Was it a gar? I think that's a gar.
Ah yes, a reminder to never ever sleep on the job.
Oh, there goes his rod. There went his rod. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. It's 55 degrees outside, but the water temperature is much colder. Yikes.
Do not do that at home, people. That was awful.
Oh no.
I think this croc seized his opportunity, alright?
It's fair game. Fair game.
Oh, this fish took him in with him! Oh my gosh!
Did it actually? Did it really? Oh. Yeah, it kinda did.
I don't think that's supposed to happen.
Oh no. I think this rod's about to break. Yep. Yep.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Yep.
Oh, no.
My ultralight.
Ultralight. Not a good idea to use that for big fish.
Okay, that's hilarious. That's a good one to end on, I think.
What's he got? Oops. Watch your step, they say. Alright everyone, I think that's gonna wrap up for the video here already. So, with that being told, I don't know. Let me know if you guys had any funny personal experiences down in the comments, like any fishing fails for you. I've had a few in my lifetime so far, but these ones though, they're a little bit more funnier than mine. But anywho though, I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm not sure if I'm gonna have a video up next week because my older sister's getting married. We'll have to see how the day progresses and we'll find out the following morning. But regardless of that, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Have a wonderful weekend.